Hey there, my name is Apurva. To get my baby interested in geography, I thought a globe would be the best way to do it. But I knew that getting her a regular globe would be a bit boring for her, and that's why I got her this Shifu Orboot Earth. And this is an interactive AR world globe for kids. The Orboot Globe Plus app takes your child on an augmented reality-based journey around the world. It is fun, interactive, educational, and a great way to learn geography, history, environmental science, and more. The Orboot app is free on iOS and Android and compatible on several phones. Using the Globe and app, kids can explore 400 plus highlights and 1000 plus world facts across 6 categories including cultures, monuments, inventions, animals, maps, and the weather of various countries. The box comes with a 10-inch globe, passport, stamps, country flag stickers, and a detailed help guide. It is suitable for kids between 4 to 10 years. Its dimensions are 25.91 by 25.91 by 34.29 cm and it weighs 1.2 kilos. This toy sparks imagination and creativity, and it also encourages children to explore and learn on their own, and at the same time helps to improve their general knowledge as well as their cognitive abilities and linguistic abilities.